In this video, I'm going to review this Canon 70D SLR camera. The reason why I bought this is when I started doing a YouTube channel. I use this a lot on my cooking video and also vlogging. As you can see, the outlook of this camera is really made of very high quality plastic, and it has a really good grip. And it has this variable angle touchscreen LCD that is a third of an inch, and it can be flipped and rotate, so you could see what you are filming. This is especially good if you are doing vlogging or selfie. So instead of looking at the hole, you can look at the LCD screen instead. This is very good for people with glasses. This space here is very good for your hand, especially if you're going to hold the camera for a long time, and everything is within reach. Being a beginner, I use a lot of this automatic. It gives you the perfect quality every time. The dual pixel autofocus is really good, particularly used in capturing very fast moving objects. The picture and video captured using this camera is often very sharp and clear. This camera is Wi-Fi connectable, and it enables wireless sharings of photo and videos, as well as remote control via smartphone and tablets. It is also quite user-friendly with a very easy access with dialing buttons for quick adjustment while shooting.
I bought the lens separately.
One that is on the 24mm and one is 50 to 250mm. This one is 18 to 55mm. This is a camera special designed for semi-professionals and even beginners. For a beginner, I find that this is a camera that is really easy to use, yet give you the professional quality in terms of photographing and video. This is the one.